She bride! The princess is ready for her takeoff. Ooh, the sky is so blue. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chayla. For those of you who are new, I am in a different state right now, if you guys can tell by the title of this video. I am in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're just here for the weekend. My grandparents actually have been here for like 2 weeks already, but my mom and I just drove up last night after work, and we're gonna be here until Sunday just for a little getaway. I'm really excited. So today it is Friday. I'm getting my days all mixed up since I'm not at work right now. We are still doing social distancing. The only reason why we're here is because we do have a timeshare and we're kind of losing money by not using it. So that's why we're here. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wow, look at me. And let's get started. Just left Marshall's and I bought nothing. I was gonna buy this hydro flask, but it was dirty and I didn't know if it was actual dirt or if it was like stained, so I didn't end up buying it. So that was a bummer. But now I'm just waiting in the car. My mom and my grandparents are inside the resort. They're in some meeting and I honestly don't know how to get to the room because I forgot how to get to the room. Like, there's like 5 different villas and I think I'm in the 3rd villa, but homegirl doesn't know how to get to the 3rd villa from here. So I'm just waiting in the car until their meeting's over. Just chilling. So yeah, but anyways, this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe down below. Hope you guys like what you see. I am like coming at you guys with the content. Follow me on Instagram at chalaperry right over here, and enjoy the travel vlog, travel diary, travel series. I don't know what this is gonna be called, so enjoy. South Carolina's the state for people to not wear a mask, just so you know. Ooh, look at the sky. Oh, beautiful. Palm trees. To live here with palm trees. Look at the palm tree. North Carolina say we don't do stuff like that. North Carolina don't have palm trees. Well, I want a palm tree in our backyard. This is what we're gonna get. You lost in. If I'm mistaken, it's a little bit chilly. Looks like those bags from Polly Pocket. Like the little kid bag. Mm-hmm. This looks just like a Polly Pocket bag. I bet it's expensive. No, it's like $24. This looks, she heavy. Mm-hmm. I swear we were just out here 5 minutes ago and it was gray. So I just got back to the resort. I didn't vlog too much. I don't know what was wrong with me. I don't know. I was feeling really weird today. I don't know. I've been feeling like this for a few days now. But anyways, I did a little bit of shopping. So I'm going to try on my sweatshirt that I got. And I also got a pair of pants. So I'm going to show you guys those right now. Okay, so I just picked up this hoodie. Okay, it is really dark in here. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so this is the hoodie that I bought from TJ Maxx. I'm literally obsessed with it. I've been loving tie-dye ever since quarantine started. I've been loving tie-dye. I also tie-dyed a few shirts, which are really cute. But this is just this little sweatshirt, hoodie type of set. I love it. It is dark gray. Let me see if I can. Okay, I'm gonna turn this light on. It's gonna make a lot of noise though. But it's just dark grayish, bluish material. This is it. Let me turn this off now because homegirl makes a lot of noise. But I think it is so cute. And then it also has a little hood. Ooh. But it also has a little hood. And yeah, it is just so soft and cozy. I love it. And it was only $16.99. really good. Okay, GC, I also got a new water bottle. Got a new water bottle, and it has a little spout thing, because the other one makes it always looks like I'm drooling. Yeah, the other one doesn't have a straw, so it looks like I'm drooling when I drink it. So this one, I can just like suck up like that. So super cute. Ayo, wearing the shirt, well, sweatshirt that I just got yesterday. But I was gonna bring a shirt just in case I get hot. We out this business. The princess is ready for her takeoff. Oh, she bright. Look at how bright it is. Okay, why am I instantly obsessed? My childhood, I love it. This is me. They're actual, but I still drank it. That is cute. She real checkered. Let's get this. Okay. We're getting prepared for Christmas. It's on clearance. Okay, but why are these cute? These are cute. So today is Sunday morning, exactly 11:15, and I'm just packing up, as you can see, to go back home. My mom and I are leaving. My grandparents, they're gonna be here for like a few more days, but I have work in the morning, so that's why I'm leaving right now. So this is like the situation that I'm dealing with. All this stuff, gotta get rid of that. That's my work bag. Yeah, so, and I did do some shopping. I just left everything in the bag because I don't know if I'm returning it or anything like that. So yeah, I hate packing. I really do. It's not the funnest thing.